What is up, guys? Welcome to Hodlers and Traders Hub, the home of simplified crypto and forex content. So basically, today I want to be talking about my first trade I took on my prop firm account. So if you have been following this channel, this week essentially I bought a prop firm account, and yeah, I've been trying to get funded. So I've been trading my own personal capital for the past 1 year and say 9 months since I started trading. Almost 2 years now since I started trading and learning how to trade. I've been trading my own capital, lost some, won some here and there. So I'm trying to get funded now. So I started with a 5K account. If you haven't watched the video, it's in the, I'm going to link it in the description. So yeah, so basically I'm just going to run you guys by the trades that I took this week, how much we made, and the idea behind the trade and the execution and all of that, so you can actually follow this journey. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't joined our Discord yet, we have like an amazing community, Discord community, where we share a lot of trade ideas, a lot of content and stuff like that. Without much ado, let's get into the video. So this is my first trade I'm going to be taking on my prop firm, and this is a USD CAD. I wanted to trade yesterday, but there was CPI and news and all of that, and I didn't want to be caught up in all of that whole noise, so I just left it. So the CPI data came out yesterday, and the FOMO and everything, and then it looks like the dollar is strong and it's pushing the dollar up, and every currency against the dollar has been dumping. So but currently USD CAD is in a downtrend, right? It's in a downtrend. It's been in a downtrend for a minute. This is a clear downtrend. So I'm looking to take my trade at this. This has been a trend line that has been holding. So it had an external trend line, and it also had an internal trend line. So the internal one has been broken, which supports the move. Like, okay, this is pushing to the upside. But at the point, I expect that there will be a pullback at least to retest the lows again, and then make sure that that is a strong level. So I'm looking to catch the pullback or the dump that would take us, if you want to take us further down. Ultimately I'm looking for USD CAD to really come towards this region. So towards this region, this is where I'm looking for the price to come towards. But for now, it's making a pullback, and I want to take my trades here. So basically what is informing my trade right now, I'm pulling a fib. I want to be taking most of my trades on the fib, so I'm pulling my fib from this to this level. So my entry is going to be somewhere around this whole level. Let me just draw this whole level. This is where I'm looking to have my entry, somewhere around this whole level. Sorry guys. So this entire level, so between the golden pockets, the 618 and then the 7. Usually I would even bring it, say, somewhere around here, which is what is informing my first entry. And then I'm looking at totally being invalidated if I bring it all the way up from the highs to the lows. So this is my first entry. I'm risking 1% per each trade right now. I get totally invalidated. One price crosses hits my second stop loss, and I know that, okay, I was totally wrong, and the direction of the trend is going to continue upwards. So once price crosses this level, I know that, yeah, I was totally wrong, and then the momentum still wants to continue to the upside. But for now, I'm catching the shots all the way back, at least to this downside. Also, if you look at this level here, this area we're watching here, there's been a lot of sell pressure. So there's been a lot of supply zones around this area, a lot of sell pressure. So I'm seeing one here, I'm seeing another one here, I'm seeing another one here. So I'm trying to catch the move here. Sometimes your direction can be right, but maybe a week can just stop you out and stuff. So I want to be totally invalidated. So I'm entering 2 entries around here, 1% per trade, and we'll see how it goes. So it's a $5,000 account. So each trade is going to give me, maybe this is going to give me around 1:3, 1:3.5, and this is probably going to give me around 1:2.5, 1:2.6. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to keep it and then set my levels, and then let's see how it goes. So okay guys, so we are back, and so far so good. After a few hours, our trade currently picked our first entry, and it's currently dumping. As you can see, I'm currently running in like a little bit of profits, at least 1x 1x profit. So I expect a reaction somewhere probably around this level. So this will be 1:2. Currently we have done at least 1:1.3, 1:1.2. So at least I expect this level. From this level I'll probably take 80%. So I'm going to be setting an alert around somewhere here. So just TP1 USD CAD. So I'm just going to set an alert around this level. Yeah, because I expect reactions around this level. But once I watch the candlesticks, alert hits, I watch the candle and watch the reaction, I'll just probably even go straight to my target TP. So probably somewhere around here, which is 1:3, or even extended around here, 1:4. So I expect a reaction around this level. So I expect price to come all the way down here, but I'll be taking my profits along the way. So currently this is how far the trade have done. I'm setting my alerts and I'll see you on the next one. We're back again, and this time after a couple of hours, our trade just hit our first TP. I just got my alerts now and I just came to check. So I mean, price came to hit our first TP around this zone. So currently I've taken 80% of this entire trade. So this is a 1:2, so that's $100. I've taken 80% and I'm letting the rest just ride onto the next TP, which is going to be around the zone. So I'm probably going to close my entire position here, somewhere around here, or if we continue to dump, I'll just go for the last bit, which is 1:4. So this is my next TP zone. So currently I've taken 80% from this trade. I've also moved my stop loss into break even. So this is a risk-free trade right now. This is a risk-free trade. So I'm just going to roll with the trend. So I mean, this is how the trade has played out so far. This is the reason why you need a strong psychology to kind of trade, because you see how price came all the way down here. It did not hit. It came all the way again, came all the way back. But it was this morning that we had our TP just hit. So yeah, that's a good move. So I expect price to make a further move to the downside and continue to move. Okay, so what am I looking at for USD CAD next? I'm expecting price to have a reaction somewhere around here. So if I pull up my fib, I'm expecting from my lows to my highs somewhere around here. I'm expecting price to react somewhere around the golden pocket as usual. Like I said, in this prop firm, I'm going to be taking my entries on my prop firm level. So on my fib, sorry, on my fib. So I'm going to be focusing a lot more on my fib entries. So these are golden pockets. I'm looking at price to react somewhere around this area. Also, if you look at price, you can tell like, okay, there was a strong push to the upside from this demand zone. There was a strong push to the upside, a strong push to the upside. So if price is going to come all the way, I expect it to come maybe all the way down here and then make a reaction back to test the highs either here or here. So one of those things can happen. But if we break this level, I mean, we're coming all the way back to this big zone that I've been watching for a minute. So I'm expecting, like I said, I'm expecting price to move. Okay, so it has done 1, 2 zigzag, and then it's coming all the way back down here. Maybe make a move down and then make a move somewhere around this region before finally trying to blast out of this level if there's a bullish momentum that continues. So whatever price does, we'll see from there. Okay, so guys, we have just hit our full TP. This is a 1:3 trade, and it has just touched our TP and wicked our TP exactly. Like I said, I was expecting a reaction somewhere around this level. So I believe that price might react around this box, and I'll just watch how price reacts. But today is a Friday, so I'm not gonna probably be trading this account today. Gonna wait for maybe a better opportunity during next week, and then I resume trading on this account. So this will be my first trade for the week on this account. It took one trade. So currently the account is around 5,100. So we made some gains. So I'm going to put the current balance of the account here. It's around 5,100 right now. So yeah, so this is a 1:3 trade that we took, and then we took partial profits along the way, and then we continued and we took the rest along the way. So you guys can join our Discord. I'm going to be sharing video updates on there. We have a lot of informational content. We have a lot of educational content on there. We share trade ideas and all of that stuff. So yeah, so join our free Discord and be part of this journey. I share a lot of content on Discord, trading journey, learning tips, all of that. Also follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at hodlerslab. Hodlerslab on Twitter. Also, you can visit our website, Hodlers and Traders Hub. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to this channel. We're going to be having more updates coming in the coming weeks. So yeah, so till the next one, thank you for watching and peace. We're out.